I will try to transfer this in a platter here. I hope I can lift this up. I will try. Oh. Oh. There you go. Oh. I made it. Yay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make or cook in a slow cooker. It's pork shoulder roast, and this is the pork shoulder roast. It's big, but it's some bones and tomato sauce. This is dry mustard, sugar, and soya sauce. Set that aside for now. Putting this pork shoulder roast almost not fit, but it will eventually later find some ways to there. Set that aside in there. I will open this tomato sauce. Sauce. Some bowl here to mix. This is about 398 ml. Just gonna use half of it. And half a cup of soya sauce. And a quarter cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. And then I'll pour this into the roast. and slow cook this for 8 to 9 hours. Plug in the slow cook and put it in a slow cook. And see you later in 8 to 9 hours. I'm gonna open the pork roast in a slow cooker. Oh, look at that. It's looking pretty good and pretty yummy. Looks like it's ready. It's been in a slow cooker for 9 hours. I wanna taste. I wanna slice a little bit. It is very tender. My God. It is very yummy too. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. You have a nice day or a nice evening with your family and friends. Bye-bye.